Welcome sa aking kusina. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito, huwag kaligtaang mag-subscribe, likes, comments, and share. Thank you. Ang recipe natin for today is classic Lechon Paksiw. Let's start by adding 2 pieces of onion into 1 kilogram of lechon, 1 head garlic, 7 pieces long chili, 6 pieces bay leaf, 1 piece per cube, 1/2 tablespoon cracked black pepper, soy sauce, 3 tablespoon vinegar, 2.5 cups of water. Cover and simmer it for 15 minutes. Pagkatapos ng naturang minuto, atin itong buksan at paghalo-haluin ng mabuti. Takpan natin itong muli at atin itong pakukuluan sa loob ng 20 minuto. After a certain time, let's check. Tikman natin ito gamit ang isang malinis na kutsara. Hindi na po tayo madagdag ng asin sapagkat okay lang po ang lasa nito. Dito, maglalagay tayo ng 2.5 tablespoon sugar. So, you may adjust it according to your preferences. And then, paghalo-haloin natin itong mabuti para well-distributed po ang ating mga ingredients. Takpang muli natin ito for another 10 minutes or until the meat will become more tender. And now, let's add celery. Celery is a combination of 1 tablespoon cornstarch plus 2 tablespoon water. Ang purpose ng celery ay nagpapalapot ito ng ating sabaw. Atin itong paghalo-haluin ng mabuti hanggang sa ma-achieve na natin ang desired thickness ng ating sauce. Wow! Okay na ito. Let's turn off the flame. Presenting to you our finished product. This is classic Lechon Paksiw. Alam niyo mga migs, there's a lot of variation sa paggawa ng Lechon Paksiw. Mayroong with pineapple and also Mang Tomas sarsa. So, for me, I stick to it. Gusto ko lang yung natural flavor. Thank you and have a great day, everyone. Until next time. Bye-bye!